Okay guys, so we are gonna try this one more time. One more time. Hubson is ready to go, and it goes back up in the air in 1, 2, 3. Yes, take off. Oh, it lost it again. So, I mean, it's understandable that the tracking was lost, but okay, that's not what we want. Let's put it against the yellow background real quick, see if that helps at all. No, it's tracking the wrong thing. Okay. Now it's tracking the drone. Let's go up with the drone. Come on. Please track it. It's not tracking the drone. Why not? Go up. I just don't know why. Is not tracking the drone at all. Is it too far away from the drone? So the drone is doing a great job, but the tracking of the drone is terrible, really. If I go right, will it track it? Oh, it's lost already. If I go forward, will it track it? So much for it tracking. Okay, it's doing a terrible job. So we're gonna stop that.